Enjoy the benefits of 3 products in one with the Ewbank HydroH1 Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner. It's perfect for cleaning, washing and vacuuming sealed hard floors for a spotless and hygienic finish. Its cordless design means you're not having to jump from one plug to another. You can effortlessly move through your home to give everywhere a thorough clean. It's got dual tank technology, which sucks up wet spillages into one tank, and with a squeeze of the trigger on the handle, releases a powerful spray of clean water or floor cleaning solution from the other. There's also a boost mode, which increases the speed of the cleaning brush to tackle extra stubborn dirt. Perfect for cleaning up after spillages and those muddy afternoon walks. The battery runs for 25 minutes on a single charge, and it only takes between 3 to 4 hours to recharge it. It's compact too. You can store it neatly away on its own storage dock, and whilst it's there, you can select self-clean mode to make sure it's ready to go for the next time you need it. It's also packed with handy accessories such as a storage tray, extra brush roller and a 2-in-1 cleaning brush. So if you're looking for an all-in-one appliance that does more than just vacuuming, the Ewbank HydroH1 Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner is the perfect choice.